How to send large files on Yahoo Mail. So if you want to send large files on your Yahoo Mail, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser. On your browser, you can simply search for Yahoo, go with www.yahoo.com and make sure to log into your account. Now just go with Mail, which is on the upper right. Now you'll have the home page, right, which looks like this. So you just need to simply go with pencil shaped icon, which is on the upper left, go with a new message, and here, for example, if you try to upload a file, then it says that the limit is only for 20 KB and you won't be able to send more than that. So what you need to do is go with your drive. So you just need to simply open up your drive, go with the top right, which has that Google Apps, and then go with drive section. Once you're under your drives, you just need to simply go and upload your folder or your file on your drive. Once you've uploaded that folder or file on your drive, then what you need to do is just simply go with the right side, which has that three dots, and you need to go with share. Now go with copy link, and before that you need to click on share, and then it will take you to a kind of interface which looks like this. You need to go with restricted, and here you need to click on anyone with the link, and after that copy the link. Once you copy the link, now you need to go back, and here you need to paste the link, Google Drive link, and then enter the email address to whom you would like to send. And if the other person clicks on this link, then they will be redirected to the Google Drive folder, which is right here. They'll get the access to the folder. That's how you can send large files on your Yahoo Mail. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.